We'll guide you through how to charge your Xbox Series S or Series X controller. If you guys find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get into this.
So first off, you might be wondering why this cable won't charge your Xbox, the one that you got with your Xbox console in its package. So the answer to that is because the only purpose of this cable is to connect your Xbox controller to the console using a wire. If you want to use it wirelessly, you will need to plug in batteries that are located in this compartment right here. So, as you can see, I have two batteries inside of it, and the batteries that this controller supports is AA. The batteries that you get alongside your Xbox package, those are not rechargeable batteries. You can use them up to a certain point until they run out of power, and then you will be forced to change them. Replacing these two batteries with another pair of batteries that are really cheap that you can buy into any convenience store. Just go over and ask for AA batteries. That will allow you to use your controller again wirelessly. The second method is to go over to a store and ask for rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries are much more efficient than normal batteries because they don't make as much of waste and don't harm the planet as much. So when you take those rechargeable batteries, alongside them you will ask for a rechargeable battery pack. What I mean by that, there is a device that will charge your batteries. As soon as you are done with them or they are empty, you just put those batteries inside of that device, and after a few hours they will be fully charged again, in comparison to the normal batteries which you will need to throw out after they are emptied out. And the third and final method is buying a controller docking station. This is a much more expensive option than the previous two that we mentioned, but it's also the most aesthetically pleasing as it can be used as a sort of a decoration. And those controller stations come alongside with a battery pack that is custom made for that controller station, and as soon as you place your controller inside of that station, it will automatically charge up the batteries. So basically that is the way that you can recharge your Xbox controller if you want to use it wirelessly. If you're okay with not using it wirelessly, just take the cable that came with your Xbox, plug it in, and you should be good to go even without the batteries. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.